You're a wizard, Harry.
Get to platform 9 3/4.
The things that I love about this game, it's like, it's got an array of different combats. It's got sneak combat, it's got like just guns blazing combat. It's so much fun. It also takes skill, which is actually really good. This game is actually pretty challenging. It's not easy, not like Fortnite, it's not easy. But yeah, it's something you'll need to get used to. My most favorite bit was the restricted section bit, because it had, like, as I said, a different array of combat, sneak combat, you know, guns blazing combat. It was just perfect. Welcome everybody to TastingToys.com, and today I'm going to be showing you some more challenges from Hogwarts Legacy. I'm going to be doing around 3 to 4, but you should expect some more challenges in the future. Alright, let's get into it. Okay, so I think here we just battled a troll, and the troll, we're just like fixing up some of the troll's damage in Hogsmeade. I feel like this is a good intro to the game because it introduces you to like all the first spells, and it's probably the first like boss fight, I guess.
Reparo.
I actually quite enjoyed doing this bit. It's kind of satisfying seeing things be like all fixed again. Okay, so I'm going to shopkeeper.
Shall we?
So I need to get some clothes.
Plenty for your perusal today.
Yeah, supplies. So I need to come here so I can get a school robe, so I fit in, I guess. You can buy a whole lot of other stuff here at the shop. Actually this actually is pretty good. So I'm gonna go ahead and buy the $0 galleon school robe. But you can buy a lot of other robes here.
You won't be disappointed. That's a good.
Oh, okay. So I just did this side quest. It's Dueling Club. So I think you can find this after the Defense Against the Dark Arts class. So yeah, you just look for the side quest. So I'm just, yeah, doing this duel. This is actually like the first time I actually fought someone else with spells. Except for like the duel with Sebastian. Okay, so that was my first victory of... I think there's gonna be more, but...
Ah, a rhinoceros skeleton.
Oh yes.
I'm on the right track.
Doing a side quest. This is just like a treasure map. It has like a spot on the area, and then you have to find it, and then you have to do some spell. Let's just see. This one was like, took me actually quite a while. I'm just checking the map because I'm not actually sure where to go. Because I actually am pretty new to the castle, so yeah. So I'm still thinking that there's stuff to do with like this rhinoceros.
Rhinoceros.
Yeah, so I'm confusion. So like this is, I'm just like wandering around. I thought I was very smart there, but you know, there's nothing. Me checking the map again. Me trying to decipher what this means. I'm pretty sure soon I realize that like I saw that dragon sculpture in the courtyard while doing the Reparo quest for the spell. So yeah, I'm still thinking that it has something to do with the skeleton. There we go, something clicked, I hope. Yeah, me thinking that that's the portrait. Accio. And then me realizing that that was the dragon.
I'd better keep an eye on high places around the school for Zenobia's
Oh yeah,
gobstones.
so that
There's
one's
the
a
fountain.
different side
I'm
quest,
getting
I think.
closer.
Yeah. You see, now that I saw the dragon statue, I'm like looking like, okay, I've got the dragon statue, so yeah. Then stuff starts to click. Has to be somewhere around here. So you need a Lohomora for that one. Okay, I check once more. I'm not the best with puzzles. Yeah. Okay. I'm trying to again decipher what this puzzle means. Okay, and then I go to the view, then something clicks. I found the door. Let's go. Let's go. So I didn't realize that there was a purple circle indicating that it was in that area. So like, yeah, I spent a long time looking.
This stairwell looks promising.
To be honest, anything I could get from
Oh,
This looks like the portrait.
there's
from
the
map.
portrait.
And where's the treasure?
That took me a quick minute. Oh my.
There was a doorway hidden within the portrait. I wonder what came of Arthur's search.
Okay, so this was a treasure hunting with Arthur Plumley, I think it was. Yeah, I don't know how to say his name, but you know, somewhere along those lines. I was thinking maybe I could equip that historian robe. Flue powder is probably one of the best, like, things in the game, because then it takes so long to go around the big map. Yeah, I actually really like this game. I think this might be one of my favorite games. It's like on the point of like being hard,
He's always
but like
and then the werewolf joined the cult.
What have you learned?
there's so much other so many other things that I haven't discovered yet. So it's like so cool. Me trying to look through that. What is it called? Microscope. Very big, the huge microscope. I don't know what that's called.
Revelio.
I like how this bit has like it's like challenging. It took me like a quick minute to figure out where to go, what to do.
See there? That's the door we need to reach.
Ah, yes.
And those annoying prefects would love nothing more than to rattle us.
Sneaking
to
into the
So don't
library.
let them see us. Understood?
I can be sneaky. Let's go.
Hold on now. There's a spell you should know. The disillusionment charm. Good for getting places you're not supposed to be. Cast it and you'll appear as little more than a trick of the light. Just as long as you keep your distance and
This is
stay
probably
quiet.
one of the
You may
most
not actually
like
be able to turn invisible.
useful
Something
spells.
like that. It's not as foolproof
You'll
as a cloak.
definitely probably use
Those
it later in the
expensive.
game.
And spells are free. Give it a try.
This bit is actually, so this is sneaking into the library to get pages from a book. Or something along the lines of that. I also like about like this bit is its sneakiness. I think all good games should have like a sneak bit in their games. I like how all of like the spells are laid out.
I'll be quieter than a jobberknoll.
If you guys didn't know, a jobberknoll is a bird, is a very quiet bird in Hogwarts Legacy. Be quiet. Bro,
You should have
how did they see me? Like, actually, that's some cap. There's cap on this app.
There must be more.
Where am I? There is this.
Lumos.
Oh yes, we just entered the restricted section. And now I'm going and I'm using my ancient magic to find a secret portal.
That's it.
See, what did I say? A secret portal. You see, I still enjoy this bit so much. Because, yeah, it's just got so much. It's got the sneak, it's got the combat, and it's got the puzzle. It's actually so much fun. I also like these, like, caves. I like the art design. It's really cool.
Accio. Levioso.
Levioso.
Incendio.
Incendio.
Not surprising. Guards at the
So this was the first time I ever fought one of these guards. And that was the first time I ever used ancient magic. See, the combat is crazy. I love it. And it's not like it's like got the right difficulty.
Accio.
This game just has like a variety of stuff. It's like really good. It's brilliant. Dang, I almost died there. Barely missing Man's axe swing.
Incendio.
Whatever that's called.
Accio.
Bro, watching this again is just, this game was so much fun and still is so much fun. I haven't even scratched the surface still, and I've played like 4 hours. There's so many like spells that you can learn. It's crazy.
It is a book after all.
Oh, my mistake. It's a book, not pages. It's a book, not pages. What is lying for me inside of the book? Put my face inside the water. Never mind. Oh, okay, so this is again another bit of dueling. I think this might be the last thing, like the last level of dueling. Yeah. This is cool, you're able to like duel other wizards. And like, yeah. I like how they implemented that. This game's got like the complicated feel, but it's actually not that complicated. So like, I like simple games, and this is a pretty simple game. But it's got the, what's the word? It's got the characteristics as a difficult game. You gotta choose the right clothes, you gotta choose the right hat, you gotta choose the right spells. It's so fun. This is just a perfect game for me. There we go, and I won. Easy peasy.
Perhaps one day I'll sign up for a round.
What a victory! You've
I
won
mean,
the
yeah,
tournament.
that was expected. Ha!
That was nothing.
I'm just getting started. The things that I love about this game, it's like, it's got an array of different combats. It's got sneak combat, it's got like just guns blazing combat. It's so much fun. It also takes skill, which is actually really good. This game is actually pretty challenging. It's not easy. It's not like Fortnite, it's not easy. But yeah, it's something you'll need to get used to. My most favorite bit was the restricted section bit, because it had, like, as I said, a different array of combat, sneak combat, you know, guns blazing combat. It was just perfect. So thanks so much for watching, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. If you guys want to get some merch, you can check down in the description below. Bye.
Hogwarts Legacy. Live the unwritten.
Thanks so much for watching, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe.